guys, how are you? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today we're gonna create this voluminous elegant updo that you can do in minutes. So we'll begin by making our parting and brush the rest of your crown section backwards. You want to select your front section and clip them away for later. Now we will select our crown section, twist it lightly and push it a little bit and pin it in place. Because I'm blonde and my hair is naturally wavy, I don't need to tease the roots, but if you have natural hair and heavy, you want to tease the roots first and then you want to smooth it out and twisting it lightly and pin it in place by pushing it a little higher. That I'll use 3 bobby pins, and guys, don't open your bobby pins. If you want to use more bobby pins, but this way it will stay in place all day long. Now grabbing our section, divide it into 2. You want to grab one, tie at the ends with an elastic and then twist it, hiding the ends, and pin it at the base of the elastic where our bobby pins base are already. Then you want to repeat these steps with our second section left, but make sure to crisscross them and hide the ends inside of our created voluminous bun like that. Then grabbing our side section, we want to bring them backwards and tie the ends as well. And you want to hide it in the back inside of our bun and pinning them in place as well. If you have layers like I do, make sure to twist them lightly and hiding the ends, you want to pin them in place using bobby pins. And they're basically done! Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this beauty right here. Also guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Love you so much! See you soon in my next hair tutorial. Mwah! Bye!